how to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. For that, open Instagram application, then tap on profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now select the three-line icon at the top right of the screen. Now you need to scroll down and here under who can see your content, you can tap on close friends. Here are all the list of your close friends on Instagram. You can simply unselect it and tap on done at the bottom of the screen. Here on the screen, you can easily view that the list of close friends has been selected to 0. That means you have unselected them from your close friends. After that, you need to come back from the settings. After you have done that, let's tap on the your story at the bottom at the top left of the screen, and you can select any photo or video you'd like to add to your story. Once you have done that, you can customize the photo, and this time instead of close friends you need to tap on your story, which is at the bottom left of the screen. Let's tap on your story, and now in this way you can easily add your story to everyone instead of close friends. So this is how you can change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.